Hey guys, Matt here. Thanks for checking out this review. I wanted to go over this Instant Pot here with you guys. I absolutely love this thing. There's just so much you can do on this. I have mine plugged in right now, but you can see all kinds of different settings. You can set it for soup, stew, chili, poultry. You can even use it as a slow cooker. My main one I use it for is the pressure cooker. Obviously right here you can adjust the pressure level, plus or minus. You can just keep it lukewarm when you're done. Delay timer, start it. So if you're doing the slow cooker or something, you want to run it when you're gone. And then a cool feature, I never knew they had these. If you do sauté, you can keep the lid off like this and it just heats up really, really hot. Obviously you want to take the rack out. But say you were doing like some meat or something. And let's say you're doing like a chicken stir fry and you want to kind of like brown up the chicken before, dump a little, let's say olive oil or something, turn on the sauté, throw it in there, let it go. Or you could do the same with like onions, something like that. And then as soon as it's good, you just switch back over to the pressure cook, set the time in the normal or high pressure settings, and that's it. And then obviously if you want to have the rack in there, you can. One big thing too, just to make sure, is when you're done, this is how you release the pressure. Push it down and it will release the pressure right there. Right now there's not in there, so it doesn't matter. You can tell when it's pressurized because this little metal piece will pop up, letting you know there's pressure in there. And then you can see this rubber ring around the lid is what really makes that like tight seal. And this comes off, if I can get it, just real easily, snaps down in there. So when you're done, you can clean it like pretty easily. Same with this stuff. You can pop these out really quickly to give it a good clean. But overall, I love this thing. We use it all the time. Highly recommend the Instant Pot.